Hello, I am Dr. Chandana Reddy from Krithi Skin Clinic, Karimnagar. As we learnt about hair and hair cycle and types of hair loss in our previous videos, now we are going to discuss about the treatment of hair loss and prevention of hair loss, do's and don'ts about the daily hair care regimen. About the treatment of hair loss, when there is excessive hair loss and you can literally see the amount of hair shedding on the floor, on the pillow covers, usually we rule out the stress factors first and hormonal factors. If there is no hormonal factors like PCOD or thyroid factors, then most common thing would be nutritional. Then we investigate for hemoglobin, serum ferritin, vitamin D, B12, and then treat accordingly. So most of the times 90% of the Indian females are deficient in iron. So taking a good iron rich food and iron supplements is always good for reducing the hair loss. Iron supplements, few people will not tolerate iron supplements. In those cases you can go for syrup forms or injection forms. Diet is again plays main role in treating iron deficiencies. If you are a vegetarian, try to take more of spinach, broccoli, dry fruits, sprouts, and all the vitamin C rich foods and protein foods, because hair is made up of protein. So always try to include proteins in your diet. Taking sprouts in the early morning would give both vitamin C and equal amount of proteins also. And jaggery, till, all these again are rich in iron, so try to take them in little frequent quantities. Try to include eggs in your daily diet, because egg is a rich source of protein, and if you are a non-vegetarian, fish is a source of protein and omega fatty acids, and chicken is also an equally good source of protein. You can include them in your diet. And try to take lot of fresh fruits and vegetables which are colored. All these things will have antioxidants, and they have some role in important role in reducing the stress. And second thing is stress. Stress is an inevitable factor in our day-to-day life, but to some extent we can reduce our stress by meditating, yoga, and most important thing is, while sleeping at night, try to maintain your regular sleep timings and try to avoid mobiles 1 hour before going to sleep. Try to maintain yourself in a dimmer light 1 hour before going to bed, and sleep in a completely darker environment, so that our body will produce a protein or hormone called melatonin. Melatonin is a very good protein. It is an antioxidant. It will help in reducing stress, and it has very important role in maintaining a normal general health and well-being. Apart from iron and proteins, include B12 and vitamin D in your diet. At the same time, you can take supplements. Apart from diet and tablets, we give few lotions also which contain Procapil, Capexil, Anagen and melatonin. They will increase the blood supply. At the same time, they will help in regrowth of the hair. Do's and don'ts about the hair loss. Try to massage your hair regularly so that the blood supply to the hair increases. As our grandparents say, apply oil to your hair regularly, but need not apply oil regularly, because oil will just moisturize the skin and hair, but massaging with the oil will help in increase the blood flow and increase the hair growth. Use combs or brushes with wide bristles and soft bristles, so that it will not cause any damage to the scalp or hair. And try to take lot of foods with antioxidants, and don't blow dry your hair regularly. Do not use hair dryers regularly, and try to limit using hair styling products like straightening, hardening. All this will have lot of chemicals and they'll cause lot of damage to the hair. And most important thing is, try to maintain your stress level, try to maintain your adequate sleep, and the most important thing is shampooing of your hair. If you have very dry hair, try to use shampoo once or twice a week. If you have a very oily scalp, try to use it every alternate day. When shampooing, try to use shampoos which are very mild, which will give you less lather and do not have much perfume or smell in that. Try to see if they are paraben free or sulfate free. So basically, paraben and sulfate free shampoos will make your scalp hydrate and keep your hair in a good condition. And most important thing in hair loss and hair is maintaining good diet, avoiding stress levels, and taking good care of hair in the form of like regular oil massages and choosing a proper shampoos. Thank you.